Hi y'all, I'm Grandma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy hash brown casserole. It's the Cracker Barrel copycat and I'm going to make it in a slow cooker. Now this is going to be the easiest casserole you've ever made. You're going to take, this is one bag and it's frozen hash browns, doesn't matter what brand, and it's about 30 ounces I believe. Then you take one stick of butter, and that has to be melted. Then we're going to do 1 cup of cream of chicken soup. This is condensed. And you put that in there. 1 cup of sour cream. You want to take 1 small onion, chop it up, and add that to it. Now I'm going to take and stir it just a little bit. With the hash browns being frozen, you won't be able to do very much. Now we're going to cook this about 4 hours, give or take, on slow, and then we're going to be adding the cheese. Okay, this has been cooking for about 4 hours. I will say that I guess about 2 hours in, I took the lid off and stirred it. So here we go. We're going to stir it. It's done, but we want to add that cheese to it now. Now I got 2 cups, which is also 8 ounces of cheddar cheese. So I want to put that on there, and what we're going to do is I'm going to put the lid back on the crock pot, and probably about 10 minutes in, and it should be nice and melted. Okay, 10 minutes, and there we have it. It's nice and melted. Now I'm going to get it all plated up. There it is. I plated it up with supper. What do you think? It's easy, it's cheesy, and it's absolutely delicious. So there you have it. A very, very easy hash brown casserole. Now, if you don't have the frozen hash browns, don't worry about it. You can use fresh. They cook the same. Now, don't forget, try the recipe and push like. Subscribe to my page. Send me some comments. And until next time, from my kitchen to yours, love and light.